Dear friends, hello. I'm Ilze Burkovska-Jakobsen, director of the animated documentary My Favorite War. Thank you for screening our film at your festival. It would be lovely to meet you in person, but situation is how it is, and we meet this way. The most frequently asked question before screenings always is, why did you make an animated documentary? Why it's animation? The first answer is because there are no visuals in the state archive showing the military objects who surrounded me in that time in Soviet Union. It was forbidden to take pictures of them, and I had to draw them. But the main reason is there are no visuals, or there are no archives either of that feeling of being a Soviet person. There are no archives of the grayness, of stiffness, of fear which I felt in that time. The state archives are showing only happy, shiny people, and that wouldn't be a true picture of our experience. So the film is not only about past, it's about choices, and we have to make choices even today. What kind of world would we like to live in? And consider that while you're watching this film about a girl pressed in the situation where she has to choose in the situations where it seems you don't have a choice. Enjoy the film, and good luck to all of us during the next days of the pandemic and whatever comes.